Hello, virtual learners. It's Mr. AG here, and I want to tell you a little bit about your Friday afternoon schedule. As you know, we switched our writing and reading today so that your main job this afternoon is to get some good reading time in. You can see here we've got the Friday link for your assignments, Friday 5/7, the folder. Click into the folder, click into the reading assignment, and you see here at the top we've got the Asian American and Pacific Islander Padlet. So the first job you have is to open up this Padlet, dig in. I'd like for you to open up these stories over here on the left-hand side, the read alouds, and listen to one or two of the read alouds. And explore some of the other links that are available here in the Padlet that Ms. Roth has put together for Asian American and Pacific Islanders Heritage Month, and spend some time doing that. And when you finish, make sure you get a good 30 solid minutes of self-selected reading in a book of your choice. Um, and then tying up loose ends for the week is all you would have left to do. Make sure your feature article has been formatted into columns as indicated in our writing lesson earlier this morning. And also make sure that you have made your goals in Lexia and Dreambox. So Lexia, that would be 12 units for the week, and Dreambox, we're shooting for 7 lessons. So that should keep you plenty occupied for your Friday afternoon. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll be seeing you on Monday. Good luck and have fun.